goodness, she is screaming. Top of the morning, top of the evening. Hope you guys have all been doing well. If you can't tell, I'm doing fucking phenomenal. Back roads all to myself. Beautiful weather outside. It is genuinely such a gorgeous day outside. And, you know, I was thinking to myself, I haven't really driven in these back roads in a very long time. It's been all just highway driving, which is just straight. And honestly, in a car that doesn't really go that fast in a straight line, don't get me wrong, this car is quick, but it's not fast. It's not no race car, but it's agile. And this is where it performs best. So I figured I'd just give you guys a insanely raw POV of me just pushing this car to the limits. Boy, it's so nice I got the windows open and I'm not even freezing. Time for new brake pads though. Oh my days. Oh my days. Damn, I love these roads for the 10th time over and over. And guys, we're not driving over the lines like some rookies. If you're gonna drive like this, you gotta stay in your lane. I could be going stupid, crossing over the lines, blah blah blah. That's not real. That's not a real driver. Crossing over the lines. Safe, secure. Now I'm stuck behind a fucking gabagoo. can't get enough. That would be fun to drive in these fucking roads. A little M2. A little M2. Maybe M2 instead of M3. I don't know. Oh man, I can't get enough of this car, especially on roads like these where you could actually feel every fucking piece of goddamn power and suspension and control on it. This car is not a straight line driver, man. It's a curvy back road master. And I've been neglecting it on these back roads. And I'm getting new tires in 2 days. My rears right now are literally showing wire. And I got traction off. Just trying to get the most out of these tires before I gotta get rid of them. Freaking God. Oh, I can't get enough. Holy moly. Oh my God, you guys don't even understand what this feels like in the car. Holy shit, I need to get somebody in the passenger seat just to get a reaction. I'm telling you, the video does not do it justice, and I'm sure this is still gonna look crazy on a video. Holy shit. Ripping the back roads. Oh my Lord. Holy shit, like a fucking missile. This car is outstanding, man. I don't want to hear nothing from nobody. And especially for me, someone that complains about this car a lot. I just complain because I do most of my driving on highway and I'm just getting cooked by everything. But there, fuck out of here. I need to get my boy who has an M5 to fucking see how fast he could do that little route. Wow. Spectacular. falling off him like a freaking fiend. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh my lord, oh my days, oh my days. I think I'm gonna be wrapping it up at that, guys. That was an exhilarating drive. Holy moly, what a beautiful day outside. What a beautiful day to just drive. Hope you guys are all doing good. Let me in or not, I'm getting in. Hope you guys are all doing great. Hope you guys are having a great new year. Like I said, I'm posting a shit ton of content. It is non-stop from here on out. Anything you guys want to see in specific, any ideas you guys have for me, let me know down below. I try to read every single comment as well as respond to every single one. Love you guys. Thank you guys for watching yet again. That's about it, man. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace!